Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link records in Airtable. It is very simple. All you have to do is to open the base in which you want to add that link option, and then you have to press this add field button, and then you get this option, the first option that says link to another record. You have to click on it, and then you can search for the table in which you want to link records from. So in my case I'm going to just select projects table, but you can basically select any table in which you want to link your records. Then you have a bunch of options, like you can allow linking to multiple records, you can limit a record selection to a view, you can filter it, and you can use you can use AI. So, and you can also add description as well if you like. If you want to check out these options, you can, and then all you have to do is to press this create field button, and it will add a new field in which you will be able to link to different records. Alright guys, once the field is created, you get this option in which you can add lookup fields. Now lookup fields show data from linked records. Select specific fields from projects to add them as lookup fields in Airtable. So you can add lookup fields. I am going to add email and a priority, and I'm going to press add these two fields, but you can choose any fields from that table that you like, and then you can press add fields button, and it will add lookup fields. As you can see, it has added these fields here that says email from projects and priority from projects. So these fields are now from a different table that they've added here. And here I can link, here I get this projects option, which I can use to link records, and let it just load, and then I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright guys, so what you can do here is you can search for any field, or you can create a new field directly into project table. So right now we are in project table, and if I just add an email here, and now I get this option to create email, so I just press it, and now an email segment or section will be created in that project table. So this is how you link multiple tables in your table. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.